Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change theme in iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to change theme of your lock screen or home screen, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to enter your passcode here and then just go to settings. In settings, start up from main settings. In main settings, you just have to select wallpaper, and wallpaper, just tap on add new wallpaper icon, and here you have a lot of wallpapers. You just have to select one of them. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. You can customize wallpaper from here. As you can see, you can change the icons, and after doing this, you can easily customize the widgets or fonts. And after doing this one, you just have to tap on add, and then just tap on set as wallpaper pair. And after doing this, you can check I have set it this as my wallpaper on lock screen and home screen. And after that, you just have to enter your phone passcode, and here you have to customize your home screen. So just keep a long press on any of apps and then select edit home screen, tap on it, and here you have the option of edit. Just tap on it and then select customize, and here you can select themes for your home screen. You can colors it. So that's how you can change theme on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.